Alright, man, so I wasn't gonna do an install video because it was too easy, but you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna go ahead and do it, man. I'm halfway done. You can't see it on this side, but I got some new speakers, man. You feel me? Kenwood 3-way Johns, 400 watt 3-way speaker. These the old ones, man. And if you know anything about speakers, you know that magnet is gonna let you know what's happening, and this ain't hitting on nothing. You feel me? So like I said, I already took this side out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how we take the other side out. So just stay tuned with me, you know what I'm saying? Give me a couple seconds. It's really not bad, man. It's really just kind of one of them tedious installs, you know what I mean? So y'all stay right there, we're gonna get right into it. All right, so when you get on the inside, like I said, I already did the driver's side. There really isn't any difference, you know what I'm saying? All you're gonna have to do is you gotta pop off. So there's this push pin right here. You push that through, and then you come in here, you take this cap off, and there's gonna be a screw behind there. You pop this out. There's another one right here. I think that's a 7mm, and then the rest of the screws are all Phillips head, man. So you gonna come down here. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and then the one behind here. And then you just pop it off, man. You know what I'm saying? And then once you pop it off, it's really only gonna be if you like me and you got a 2018, one of the things that you want to be kind of weary of is making sure you watch that door, your door cord. I don't know what it's called, but basically the thing that controls your like your finger sensor anytime like it feels your hand and it'll unlock and all of that. So I mean, it's not nothing to worry about. It's just you want to make sure you do that, because I wasn't paying attention on my driver's side and I didn't get the cord lined up right. So when I put the panel all the way back on, the door handle didn't work. You know what I'm saying? So that's just one of them things you want to make sure you're watching for, but it's no big deal. So like I said, it's just me out here. I can't really show y'all everything I want to, and I wasn't gonna video this at first, but then I thought about it. I was like, man, I might as well, because just like how I was searching for a video to find out how easy it was to do this, and there wasn't any. So I'm here to let y'all know, man, it's not a hard install. It just takes a little bit of know-how, you know what I mean? So if you want to give it a 1 through 5, I'd say this is like a 2-star, you know what I'm saying? It's not too difficult. It's just tedious, you know what I mean? You just gotta take your time. So one of the things that you will need is an adapter. These are the I forgot what they're called, but you literally don't have to do any cutting or anything. These just go onto your old ones, the old prongs, positive and negative, and then it's plug and play from there, man. Just for your factory system, it's all plug and play from there. So whenever you go and buy your speakers, just ask them to check and see if there's any adapters or anything they got for you there. And like I said, man, we're gonna go ahead and throw this in. All right, so we took that top part off. That's gonna show us that 7mm. I think that's what that is. And then right here, you can see it's this cap. I'm just gonna pop that off. Right behind there, if you can see it, it's another screw right there. Right there. So that's gonna be your Phillips. So 1, and then those 4 on the bottom I was telling you about earlier. 1, 2, 3. So 4 in all, and then the one up top. Trying to put y'all somewhere so y'all can see this. Like I said, man, you're gonna hear a little bit of snapping. Don't be scared. That's just the rivets and everything popping out. So hold on, before I do that, let me unscrew it. So, get your Phillips head. You're gonna take the one out from behind the door. You can move the handle out the way if you got to. Wasn't paying attention on the driver's side, but as you taking this out, just make sure you put a hand or something up under there so you don't lose it in the door. Y'all know how easy it is to lose stuff behind that door. Alright, get the fresh one. Then you're gonna come down to the bottom, take these out. of screws out. I'm trying to do this one hand and show y'all what I'm talking about, but here it is. Feel me? Come out against that wall. So you just gotta loosen it up, pop it off, man. Don't be scared to bring that thing up out of there. Alright, so once you get the door panel off, it's gonna get you right in here to the 6x9. So you can see a whole bunch of screws on here, but the only ones you want to worry about right now are on the outside, around this weathering bezel. I think that's what it's called. That's what we're gonna call it for right now. But these 4 Phillips screws just around the side, not the star ones, the Phillips. Right? So we'll take those off, and then that's gonna take you where you need to be. All right, man. So this is where we're gonna get into the difficult side of things. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to do a little handyman work. So if you look here, this is the old 6x9. And it's got these around it. I think it's a T10. It's a star bit, but you're gonna take those out, and that's gonna take the old 6x9 out, so that you just had a weathering bezel, that black part around there, and then that's where we get a little creative. You know what I'm saying? So you'll see here in a second. All right, so now you just got the bezel, and as you can see, little chunks all over the place from what I did to the last one. So we about to get a little creative. Due to the fact, and this is just gonna be, and this may not be with all of them, this is just mine, so I don't know if everybody is gonna have to do this or not. But you can see, hold on, like I said, working with one hand, so you gotta be patient. The sizing of the cam lids are actually bigger than the original MOPAR. I don't even know what MOPAR is called. We ain't even Alright, so here are the original ones. Alright, here's the original one, and then the new. So even as you can look at them, huge difference. You know what I'm saying? Little brother, big brother. Really, little brother pops. You know what I'm saying? Magnet, just how it's made, you know what I'm saying, is just, you can look at it and tell it's just a million times better. And like I said, this is a 3-way speaker, so it's gonna sound a million times better. And some people put these on, I like to leave them off. That's just how I've been since I've been putting stuff in. Me personally, I just feel like it just, I don't know, kind of just blocks the sound, even though it's kind of hard to do that through these, but you know what I'm saying, whatever. So now, putting this into the old one, you can see immediately where this hump is. That's going to be a problem. It's going to be an immediate problem because it doesn't sit in there the same. Like I said, it's bigger. So what we're going to do, disclaimer, if you don't know what you're doing, do not do this. I did not tell you to. But what we're going to do is go over here, get you a bit. Eater. I call them eater. I don't really know what these are called, but they're good at going through stuff. So start drilling it through here, clear this out, do the same thing on this side, and then through the middle, and you'll be good to go, man. So 1 second. So a million chunks later, we got what we need. You know what I'm saying? That little spot is all bent out now. Now you just go in here, get some needle nose or something, and just bend it out. Alright, so now that you got the top part of it going, you see how if you look down, it kind of messes with that shape right there. So you can bend those pieces back. That little bit of plastic, and that'll give you the clearance you need to put your new 6x9 in, man. So, 1 second. Now that you got it all flush, man, you can go ahead and start reassembling. And just put everything back how you took it apart. Like I said, man, easy install. So I'm not gonna waste any time with the semantics. We're gonna go ahead and put this door back together. I would have did a before and after on the sound, but I mean, it's kind of hard to show. I don't really got no decibel reader or anything like that, so y'all just gonna have to take my word for it. So I'm gonna throw this in. We're gonna button this door back on. We're gonna get to it, man. Yeah. Now we out here. You can see it's a perfect fit, man. Everything is flush. And don't worry about that. You know what I'm saying? It's all chewed up plastic, but ain't nobody gonna see that. You know what I mean? That's behind the back. And it's clean on the outside. That's all that matters. This is all that can be seen. That do not matter. So now, this is where your adapter comes into play, man. So, like I said, it's plug and play. Literally, it's just plug and play. They made it so easy. You just get your terminal pieces, and I'm not gonna say colors because sometimes the colors can be different. Always revert back to the manual, man. That's always what I do. And if you look on here, the one that's kind of flatter, not so wide, is your positive. So as you can see, there's one that's kind of thicker and one that's kind of smaller. The thicker one is gonna be your positive. All right. As you can see on here, the thicker one in the diagram is the positive. So we're gonna flip the speaker over, get to the back, and it's gonna show you your terminals, man. And like I said, you can see which one you need. The thicker one is the positive. Go ahead and plug a Dougie in on there. Look, boom, boom. Slide that on there. Make sure it's all good. All right, you hear the click, and then you're gonna take your negative, throw that on the negative. It's easy. Now you plugged in, you're good to go. So you can go back to your door, and there is where your original cable is. And I don't have two hands, so it's kind of hard to do this. But literally, man, all you do is you plug those back in, and then you button everything back up, and you're good to go, man. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna show y'all the finished result. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna give y'all the finished result. And man, just one more little word of advice. Before you get all the way buttoned back up, you know what I'm saying? Always go ahead and turn that thing on. You know what I'm saying? Get your little CD player going. Turn on some music just to make sure it's working. You feel me? And we working. No copyright. Alright, man, so we all buttoned up, ready to go, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a little sound test, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna, no copyright. Just hold on. Change is coming. Alright, man, that's enough. So that's gonna do it for this one, man. You know what I'm saying? I can't really give y'all no decibel sounds or nothing like that. I'll try and figure out a way to show y'all it sound better, man. But like I said, all I did was swap out the doors. But a lot of y'all know it's speakers up here too. So I'm gonna get those swapped out. And then I already got the Harman Kardon sound system, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have a little Frankenstein as far as different companies, you feel me? But as always, man, we just gonna make do with what we got, you feel me? Y'all know how I'm coming, man. Live from the Wave himself, man, you feel me? Poor man Mize on 10. So man, we gonna wrap this one up. Y'all seen it, man. Like I said, it's not a hard install at all. You just gotta take your time, and I did it by myself with the camera in hand, you know what I'm saying? So and you can still see glass on the ground from the cats who broke my window. But we got a new one, and it's tinted, and we back like it never happened, you know what I'm saying, man? At the end of the day, man, you can't never let little stuff piss you off. Stuff is always gonna happen, man. You're gonna always have them little roadblocks, and if you let it get you mad and thrown off, you just gonna miss any blessings that's in the way for you that day, because you're gonna spend so much time being angry and just not looking at what's in front of you, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't sweat it. I know it sounds cliche. Woo, struggle. But man, it's a part of life, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta take it a day at a time, a thing at a time, man. So until the next time, man, y'all like, share, subscribe, keep thriving, man, you know what I'm saying? Tune in with the Wave. It's a lot more coming for the build. As you can see, man, everything is finally coming together, man. We got a lot more big mods that I want to do, but we gonna keep that under wraps right now, and that's your hint. So until the next time, man, y'all stay tuned, y'all stay live, and y'all stay wavy, man. Yeah.